Let me ask you a question. What if I told you there's a way to make money online without showing your face, without complicated tools, and without investing any money up front? Sounds crazy, right? But stick around, because today I'll show you the laziest way to make money online in 2025 just by doing simple automated tasks by using free AI tools that will make you generate at least $350 a day. If you are looking for side hustle, this video is for you. And the best part, it's one of the fastest, easiest methods you've probably ever seen. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to start making money with AI. Alright, so there's a brand new AI image editing tool in Gemini. And honestly, it's incredible. It's called Nano Banana. And in my opinion, it's one of the best image generators I've seen so far. Today, I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly how to use it to make money online. It just launched recently and we're going to dive in and start creating something you can actually turn into real income. And here's how to get started. First, head over to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Then click on this link to be directed to different Google AI tools. Nano Banana. Right now it's free and you even get some tokens to start. Once you're there, just click on Try Nano Banana and you're ready to go. Okay. This is what we want to do. Now, we're not going to be creating images, but you can use this to create product images. I've seen some crazy product images with this. We can use this to create essentially whatever we want. It's awesome. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do with this is we're going to tell it to do something for us. Create a 10-page kids book about a horse with image and text. I've used this tool for other projects, and honestly, it's insanely good. Seriously impressive. Let's take a look at what it can do. Perfect. It's already generating the first page, now the second, and the third. Check out the detail in these images. It's incredible, and it's happening almost instantly. I haven't even tried this exact prompt before, so I'm excited to see the results. From my experience so far, this thing consistently delivers amazing results. Next, we want to download each image one by one. It's super quick, which is what makes this tutorial so fast. After that, head over to Canva and look for a template. We're going to use a square layout for this project, so make sure you pick a square template, not a rectangle. I'm choosing this one called Meet the Family, and now we can start editing. Simply drag your images onto the template, and just like that, you're creating a polished digital product ready to sell. So, what I'm going to do is open my file here. I've just opened up my downloads here. I've got my page 1. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to spread it out. Fits perfect. We're going to go to page 2. We're going to put it on here. We're going to spread it out. It should fit perfect as well, and it does. Boom. We're going to go to page 3. This fits perfect as well. All right, so I'm just going to do 4 pages for this tutorial just so we can get this done. Get rid of any text, any excess text that you have on the pages. And mates, we just created a book using the new Nano Banana. We just created a book that we can go ahead and now use. That's insane. So now we go to share and then we go to download that book. That's it. Download the book. And now let me show you what the book looks like. Now this is just 4 pages, but you can do 5, 10, 20, however many you like. So what can we now do with this? What we can now do is we can actually sell these books in these 2 specific places and other places as well. And you'll see that other people are selling these, and these are PDFs. So what that means is people download these. We don't actually send them out, right? So we have the book now. All we need to do is go and list it on Etsy. And what we want to do is we want to get some SEO optimization here. So I'm going to say to ChatGPT, I'm selling a kid's book on Etsy about a horse. Give me an SEO title and description. It even gave us a ready-to-use title and description that we can use for our listing. My recommendation is to start by selling on Etsy. It's much easier to get started there, and you can already see people making real sales with hundreds and even thousands of reviews on similar products. These are often coloring books, but you can create other types of digital products too. For this, ChatGPT is incredibly helpful, as it knows exactly how to generate SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. Of course, you can also sell on Amazon, but Etsy is a great place to start. Let me show you a quick example before we wrap up this video. I can go like this, and I can say something like this. You can do a coloring book if you want. Make me a 10-page coloring book for kids about sharks. Easy. and it's going to do the exact same thing. Now, these actually sell much better on Etsy, so I would highly recommend you dive into that as well. And then there's also this 99 Kids Fun Stories as well. 700 reviews. So there we go. Beautiful. Look at that. You just do the same thing. You just put it onto Canva. Now, some of you might be thinking, can I really make money from this? The answer is yes. People are already doing it and seeing real sales backed up by reviews. That's how we know it works. So there you have it. A super simple way to start making money with this AI tool. It's easy. Create your images, bring them into Canva, download them, and sell them online. You can start building your own digital product empire on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. If you want to make money in Amazon by doing self-clicking and get paid $3 per lead and not sales, watch the video on the screen. On that video, I showed how I perform self-clicking on Amazon and earn $3 for each email submitted under my affiliate link. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.